been a client for Blizzard for the last 4 years. And what I like about them is how knowledgeable they are and how Blizzard has been able to take our website to the next level in terms of SEO.
I'm the online marketing manager for Hodnett Cooper Vacation Rentals, and what I like best about working with Blizzard is their ability to help me with my pay-per-click and Google Analytics. They're very insightful and they're very knowledgeable in those areas.